dolphins' playful glance, elegant bee, an elephant soft song, friendly F, a fox skipping along, graceful G, a giraffe reaching high, happy H, a hippo's cheerful cry, icy I, an iguana's sunny day, jolly J, a jaguar's wild way, kind K, a kangaroo's bouncing beat, lovely L, a lion looking sweet, merry N, a monkey swinging round, nifty N, a narwhal making sound, opal O, an owl's nighttime flight, playful P, a penguin's pure delight. Quiet Q, a quokka's gentle smile, racing R, a raccoon's tricky style, soft S, a snake that gently glides, tender T, a tiger's striped side, unique a unicorn so bright, vast V, a vulture soaring flight, whispering W, a whale's deep call, Cirrus X, the smallest of them all, uni Y, a yak from mountain Saul, zigzag Z, a zebra standing proud, melody of creatures big and small, lure you letters, we're having